I have decided to do a complete rebrand of my digital product business for 2026 because when I logged in, I just had a look at all of my content. I had a look at my brand and it just gave me the biggest ick. I was like, this just does not align with my lifestyle. It does not align with me. It doesn't align with what I'm doing. So I wanted to show you exactly how I'm doing that and how you can do it as well. So this is my YouTube. I choose to sell all my digital products through YouTube because it is one of the best platforms to create on. I haven't created in about 6 months and I'm still selling digital products. So let's just have a look, and we are going to really roast my account, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. So when I look at this, immediately it just gives me the ick because I just feel like it's so overly designed and it just feels really fake. I guess that's a word, not fake, just really designed, really overly designed. I guess I was coming from a design background, so I thought that everything had to be designed, and that's cool, but it just doesn't align with my vibe anymore. It's just not really me. So when I come to my videos, everything in the digital product or online or make money online sort of space is got a very certain style. And when I was creating these videos previously, that's the style that I did because that's the style that was doing well. And I was basically looking for outlier videos and I found sort of thumbnails that were working. But again, just now rebranding the digital product business for 2026, I need to look way more aligned with my personality and how I actually am and how I'm going to be delivering the content. So you can see there's a lot of numbers, there's lots of design in the thumbnails. Even the videos themselves are actually really produced. I had a video editor at one point doing all the video editing for me. And I just think that content needs to be fitting in with your lifestyle, and you need to be able to make more content and better content. And I want to be able to connect with people on like a real level with my digital products and my content. So that's what I'm going to do. So what did I start with? So I came to Pinterest because I'm such a visual person, and you probably are too. I haven't finished it yet, but you can see the vibe that I'm already going for. Like, lock it in, diva, lock it in, let's go. We're going to wake up, post, get paid. So it's like, get that content out, start showing your lifestyle, start showing your digital products, whatever it is that you are doing. You are way too creative for a 9 to 5, girl. Absolutely preach. I am. So I've got all of these different things that are giving me a bit of a vibe of what I think that my lifestyle is and also what my brand is really about. So that is what I would start with, is just start pinning stuff and you'll start to notice a pattern, which is really going to take you in the right direction. Now, because I sell all my digital products on YouTube, I always do research on YouTube and I always think it's a good place to start. So if I go to the homepage, I am also in my business account or my Simply White Design account. And if you come to the all page, this is what I've done. You can see that I look at other people in the niche. I look at, Canva tutorials, like everything kind of digital, like that has to do with the business, like very kind of tech orientated and money orientated. So I get a lot of stuff on my feed like this. And I get a lot of stuff on this feed all to do with that. And you can see, again, everyone in this niche sort of has that same style. So that's kind of what I was going for when I was creating that content previously. But we're not going to be doing that now. But I just wanted to show you because you need to search on your business account to make your feed look like that, because it'll give you a good idea as to what other people in your industry are looking like. So say you're a beauty therapist who does eyebrows, you'd be searching other beauty therapists that do eyebrows. So you would search, I don't know, whatever it is, the style of eyebrows that you do, you would put it in there as a keyword and see what comes up. So yeah, what I notice about my niche the most is that it's all the same stuff. We're all doing, really highly edited thumbnails. We've got some simple text and things like that. But again, it's, we're teaching, it's these whiteboards, all that kind of stuff. And I just don't feel like that's really going to align with my content style anymore. So the other thing that I do is I've gone into my personal account, and this is how I've come out with my rebrand or my strategy, because I noticed something really interesting. I just felt so magnetized towards my personal account. So this is just me scrolling in terms of my home feed on YouTube with all of the stuff that I look at. Like, it's all to do with like sort of health and wellness and exercise and like what I do outside of my sort of digital product life. And you can see that these girls on here and guys, they have like really crazy views. like learning the splits in 30 days, 1.1 million views. That's crazy. And I just thought, I just love this style. I love how this is all looking. So I kept digging a little bit deeper, and I took some screenshots of different creators that I really liked the look of and how simple it was. And then I opened up Canva and I created a whiteboard. Now, whiteboards are really good because they're basically like giant artboards, and you can find them by creating a new design and literally just typing in whiteboard and you'll find it there. So with a whiteboard, there's just no limit. It's as big as you basically want to make it. And I started screenshotting what my thumbnails look like, what my YouTube looked like in terms of the banner and the profile picture, and then looking at other creators that weren't in my niche, but I just absolutely felt so magnetized towards. So this girl here, she's an absolute baddie. I love her style. I was like, this is the tea. I love it. I just love how everything is just so simple and it's kind of dark and feminine, and that is the vibe that I love. And when I started looking at their thumbnails, they were so simple, and I thought I could definitely start doing this. So I just started playing around with like how it would look, where I would film in my house. You can sort of see I've started to mimic other creators, but do my own spin on it. And the thing that I noticed the most is that I could do all of this filming and all of this style of content in my house or around my property, because I've got a really beautiful property, and I could really still sell my digital products and rebrand the way that I wanted to. So you can see here, there was this YouTuber that I found, and his YouTube is amazing. I think this is him here. And he is literally practicing exactly what I'm trying to go for. He is just filming. He has got a great brand because it's real and raw, and you can see he's walking outside, he's talking about YouTube, all that kind of stuff, and this is exactly what I wanted to do. So I took inspo from him. I also took some inspo from a girl who was doing some everyday makeup tutorials, because I have a really great bathroom with lighting, and I was like, yes, I could do that. I did start doing some of those videos. They were a little bit unhinged, but that's okay. We've got to get practice. There's no bad content. And I probably thought that I do love, the no makeup look, but it seems that, we've got to maybe start wearing some makeup. So I put a little bit of makeup on. That was me going out for my husband's 40th birthday. So it was maybe a little bit spicy, but I am definitely going to start sort of, putting on a little bit more makeup, or just like, actually washing my hair to start with. I think in these videos, I was actually working out that day, like afterwards, and I was just sort of practicing and getting the content out. And I also noticed that Dendra K, this is her YouTube here, which I also absolutely love. She's got such great design. She was filming in her car, and I was like, man, I am 45 minutes away from everything, and I'm in the car all the time. Why am I not filming in the car? That's such a great use of time. So this is basically the layers of how I'm rebranding. It is, the research that I've done. I've taken the screenshots of my old stuff, and I'm basically going to start morphing into this rebrand with my content. And this is how my digital product is going to this is how my digital product business is going to look. Like, I love it already. I feel like it's going to be a really great vibe, and the workflow is going to be really good. So if you feel like this is something that is resonating with you, definitely stick around and keep watching the videos on my channel, because it is going to be all about rebranding for 2026, selling digital products, and absolutely leveling up. So if that is you, stick around for the next video.